Thank you very much, Tammy. Good morning, Michael. How are you, sir?
I'm doing well, Roger. Happy Monday.
Indeed, if you're on the markets right now, it's a happy Monday.
Yeah,
Friday was
really strong. It sure was. The numbers out of the states Friday on job creation for November surging 266,000, and the Dow responded favorably, up 337. The TSX was up 142. A little tale of two economies right now, though, Roger, because the numbers out of StatsCan for November weren't good for our labor market. 72,000, biggest decline on a monthly basis since '09, and economists are going, okay, that sort of came out of the blue because 2019's actually been pretty strong up until recently for creating jobs. So was it a one-off, start of a trend? A lot of unknowns going into the new year. But nevertheless, the U.S. is doing well, and the thinking is that is going to help the Canadian economy by extension.
We can roll along with it. Yeah, because our market went up as well. So
yes, it did.
Okay. Let's go to HBC, Hudson's Bay.
Yep. We'll have another maneuver on the privatization battle for Canada's oldest retail brand this week. The competing bids are going to the Ontario Securities Commission because they're both saying that the other is running afoul of the rules. Over the weekend, one of the companies that basically assessed takeover bids said that the first bid on the table from Richard Baker's group doesn't do much for shareholders and should be voted down. And the Catalyst bid, which is the competing bid, was voted or rejected by the HPC itself. So this battle for the Bay may not have any resolution before the end of the year. And the stock price has shown a lot of investor concern that nothing's going to happen when all is said and done.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you put a program together for that and tell me who's doing what, where, when, and what?
You need a flow chart.
Indeed. 407. is now going to the 115.35.
Yeah, very exciting for those of us who live in Durham region, as the extension is set to open. It's amazing how quickly this thing has actually been built. And this is the provincial portion of the toll route, Roger. And the thing going forward, too, at the same time, back in the provincial election campaign, there were some calls for the north-south tolls to be removed to get more people up to the 407. So we'll see if that is something that is a go-forward plan on the political spectrum. But at the same time, this is going to be a new corridor, major corridor, I'm thinking, for economic growth, specifically in Durham.
All right, we'll see what happens with it. Michael?
Yep.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Have yourself a great day.
You too.